Good afternoon or evening or whenever you get to see this video. Today I'm in Jackson, Michigan, and I'm really seeing a lot of these murals, so I'm gonna take you around and show you some of the murals. But while you're here in Jackson, make sure you stop. They have a lot of breweries. I did eat lunch at one of the breweries. Their hummus was amazing. I will show you that later in this clip. But just stick around for all these different murals that we're gonna go check out. And they have a train station that's pretty cool. So we're gonna just kind of do some clips on that. But Jackson brought in a lot of artists from all over the world and different countries and stuff, and they would do events around this. And this one here took a very long time, and that artist was here every day painting and doing stuff. So I love art, and I love this kind of art. So I hope that you stick around and watch this video. At the end of this video, I will show you a really cool thing about Jackson. So make sure that you stay to the end to see my favorite part about Jackson. It's sad to see the painting on this one coming off, but look at how they wrapped the lion. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Let me know in the comments down below if your city does this mirroring. I know that some cities are starting to do this. I think this is really cool to do. But let me know if in the city that you're at, and if you want to leave the city's name, maybe I'll check it out myself. Check out the butterfly, guys. And by the time this video is out, my other video of the Dellum Center will be out. Make sure that you go check that one out. That one has lots of butterflies in it. Even an old-time theater on Michigan. Well, off from Michigan Street on Mechanic Street. Let me see if I can get this. Mechanic Street and Michigan. Old-time theater. And look, guys, there are so many murals. I cannot get them all in this video because you all would not watch that long of a video. So you need to come down to Jackson and check it out for yourself. And so this is the guy, I'm assuming, that did this work. And look at that. Is that not cool? Very cool. It amazes me how somebody can look at a canvas that huge and put these little dots onto it. It's absolutely beautiful. Check this out, guys. There's another plaque. Then you've got seating. And this is right downtown Jackson, as you can see. You are so loved. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Look at that. Look at the colors. It's beautiful. so love it. And then if you guys are ever in Jackson, Michigan, you guys got to come over here to this brewery and obviously have a beer, but I'm not a beer drinker. But you gotta try their hummus. Their hummus is really good. And if you get the big size, you can split it. Then you can go right next door to ice cream. Now here you'll see a plaque, and I will put in the description down below. There's actually a link that I have that shows a map of all these. You can notice they're numbered, and it gives you a lot of information about this. So if you want to see more details about this, make sure you check out that link down below. So you can see the plaque over here that I just was talking about, but this is the mural with that. And most of these have signed and dated when they put it up. So you can see it took a lot of years for Jackson to do this. What an investment. And think about this. You're gonna paint a building anyways. Why not showcase somebody's art? It was fabulous. And you can pretty much look around to all the, just walking down any of the streets. I mean, you really don't even need the map. Look at the doggies, guys. The dog. That is so cool. And now we're at the Cascades. And if you guys have not been to Jackson before or to the Cascades, this is absolutely a stop, a must stop. And I want you to stay tuned towards the end to where you see the different lights. I did have to mute it because it does play it to the music, and I don't want to get a copyright strike. So just make sure that when you come here, you definitely, when you come to Jackson, make sure you come to the Cascades. And there is an ice cream place right around the corner. And this place is only open from Labor Day to Memorial Day, or Memorial Day to Labor Day. I flip-flop them holidays. So you guys know the holidays, but in between the holidays, they put on a great light show. So stay tuned and watch that to the end. It's absolutely beautiful.